detox juices help to lose weight and cleanse the body because they were low in calories and rich in nutrients that improve the functioning of the intestine and liver. In addition, these juices have antioxidant action, helping to strengthen the immune system, and are rich in fiber, which improves intestinal transit. Much consumed by those looking to lose weight, detox juices are great allies of the detox diet, whose main objective is to eliminate harmful substances to the body. These substances can come from pesticides, preservatives, saturated fats, sugars, and excess salt and trans fat. In this video, I will give you 5 recipes that will help you, and, in the description, there is a link to the testimony of a woman who lost 84 pounds, after watching the video. Take a look so you feel more motivated. The ideal is to take about 500 milliliters of detox juices daily, along with a healthy diet, to increase the effects of vegetables. Number 1. Watermelon and ginger juice. Ingredients. Preparation method. Beat all the ingredients in a blender. Strain and drink afterward, without sweetening. Number 2. Pineapple and cabbage juice. Ingredients. Preparation. Beat all ingredients in the blender. Strain and drink next, preferably without sweetening. Number 3. Carrot, cabbage and apple detox juice. Ingredients. Preparation. Beat the ingredients in a blender with half a liter of water. Then add approximately 1.5 liters of water. Stir well and sweeten to taste. Number 4. Cabbage juice with lime orange. Ingredients. Preparation. Beat the ingredients in a blender with half a liter of water. Then add approximately 1.5 liters of water. Stir well and sweeten to taste. Number 5. Pineapple detox juice. Ingredients. Preparation. Beat like pineapple slices with washed mint and cabbage leaves, lemon juice and ginger. Serve the homogeneous juice with ice. If you want to sweeten it with a little honey,